So you want to teach your kids how to cook and how to work in the kitchen. Now, I got one of these sets a little over a year ago for my 8-year-old, which was great for her to learn. And she still uses it at her mother's house, but she has advanced to a bit more of using regular knives these days. And I'll give you a quick look at everything that comes in here. So we do get 2 different cutting boards. You got a green one and a yellow one. And then we do have a lot of different pieces. We also have 3 different knives. As you can see, they are made of a plastic, so it's not going to cut your child and they're not going to get hurt with it, but it will still be able to cut certain vegetables and they'll still be able to prep with it. We also do have like a little cookie cutter. We do have some other small cutters. We got some little pieces, I don't know what that's for, some little cutters, bench scrapers, different types of bench scrapers. I'm guessing this one's more for like dough and stuff. I'm not really a dough maker. And then we do have a peeler, and we do have a pair of gloves they can wear. My daughter, she never wore the gloves. She said it was too hard. I do have a bell pepper that's getting past its prime here, so we're going to go ahead and use that for testing purposes. And let's go ahead and cut into it. And you'll see that these ones have a bit more of a saw action, which is also going to be a little bit easier for your little ones. They're not going to have to work as hard. They can saw it. They'll learn how to properly cut. And they're not going to struggle as bad. And at the same time, you'll see that they actually do cut pretty decently. And then, of course, we have these little cutters. So if they want to have fun just cutting out little shapes, they can do that. We also have a little Mickey Mouse. And then, of course, you probably want to know if the peeler actually works. Now, as for the peeler, that one doesn't work very well. My daughter also complained about that. She uses a regular peeler. But if you're looking for a cute little set to get your little ones started, you want to teach them how to cut and cook in the kitchen and everything, definitely check one of these out. They are meant a bit more towards like the younger age, but even my 7-year-old at the time loved it, worked great, helped her learn a bit more with her knife skills. But if you're looking for something like that, definitely give this one a try. I think it's a great set, great for beginners. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.